Alright, before I show you my video, I'm going to tell you what algorithms are. It's like pattern. You can do it, it's like for this one, it's right inverted, down inverted, right down. If you do that 6 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. If you do it 6 times, it should go back to the normal form. And to tell you these, I'm going to tell you what right and right inverted is. Right is your right side. You spin it clockwise. Right inverted is counterclockwise. So, right inverted is counterclockwise. Down inverted, it's just like you're facing it. It's counterclockwise. Then it's right inverted, or right clockwise, and then down clockwise. Hello, I'm going to tell you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. First, I'm going to tell you how to cheat. You slide it 45 degrees and just take out the piece, then all these pieces, and yep, put it back together. But that's not as exciting as solving it in front of people. So I am going to scramble it and then tell you how to solve it. Okay, so it's nice and scrambled. So basically, first you want to get this cross right here. I like to start with the white side because I'm used to it and it's just easier. So first, to get these middle pieces, you have to look for one like this one right here, and you can see that it's lined up. So you have to learn this one algorithm. It's front inverted, left inverted, up inverted, and as you can see now it's white, white, orange, orange. And you have to make sure that it's like this for all of these sides. So let's look for another middle piece. Well, right here it's white and blue, so that's easy. All you have to do is flip it, and it's blue, blue, white, white, orange, orange, white, white. So another one right here, you flip it, still all these right here. And then let's look for the last one. Now here it's not like the first one. You have to, it's lined up here. If you flip it, you got the right middle piece. It's just not flipped the right way. So you have to do this algorithm again. Front inverted, up, left inverted, up inverted. And there it is. Next, you want to get these corner pieces. And here's the next algorithm. It's right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Then you keep on doing that until it's white, green, red. You have to line it up before. So right inverted, down inverted, right, down. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. And it's lined up. So let's look for the next corner piece. Right here. See, it's lined up, blue, orange, white. So you do the same thing. Right inverted, downward, right, down, 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 down, right inverted, downward, right, down. Then you have that corner right there. It's lined up and you didn't mess anything up. So let's look for the next one. Right here. Orange, green, and white. So right inverted, downward, right, down. And it's up there and just one of those. And then there's this one. Red, blue, white. Right inverted, downward, right, down. Okay. So you should have these T's if you did it right, and you should have this white side if you did it correctly.